Hi, welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and I am inviting everyone to join me as I unbox and take a closer look at this 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser, a short wheelbase variant by Para64. Okay, to start it off, as I mentioned, this is the short wheelbase variant. Okay, as you can remember, we did unbox the long wheelbase variant of this a couple of months ago, and here it is, still from Para64. If you want to check it out, here's a link somewhere. I'm gonna place it in the comment section, or rather in the description. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, this is the long wheelbase variant, and this is the short wheelbase. Okay, so we're going to unbox this one. Okay, to start it off, Para64 models come in a windowed box sleeve, just like this one. Has an acrylic case cover with a plastic case. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the packaging. Okay, this was released in 2023. Okay, this is part of the many models that I have still unboxed. Okay, it says Toyota official licensed product. This is in 1/64 scale. This is a 2014 Toyota Land Cruiser French Vanilla. Okay, this model also came in graphite gray color. Okay, so you might want to check that one out too. Okay, as I said, comes in a windowed box sleeve. Okay, kind of hard to remove it. Okay, here we go. Having a hard time with this one. Okay, here you go. Okay, there you have it. Okay, windowed box sleeve. Okay, comes with some wonderful illustrations or drawings of the short wheelbase variant of the Toyota Land Cruiser. Okay, Para64, and as always, I'm wondering why there's the Spanish Grand Prix racetrack. Okay, Circuit de Catalunya. Okay, okay. You might wonder, you might know the reason why, but kindly comment down below so you could share it with us. Okay, anyway, moving on to the model. As I've said, model comes in a plastic base, acrylic cover, clear one. Okay, oops, kind of like it because it's the thick one. Okay, plastic base, nothing much. It says Toyota Land Cruiser 70 series, Para64. Okay, model secured by a lone screw. So we're going to remove this one from its base. Okay, while I'm doing this, I'd like to invite you to come visit my Facebook and Instagram page. Okay, do like and follow. We're going to feature there some diecast pics and reels, short videos. Okay, so here you go. Here's the model itself. Okay, we're going to take a closer look at that one. Okay, start it off. Model comes with rubber threaded tires. Okay, has plastic wheels. Okay, very good design. Okay, and model rolls smoothly. Okay, and we're going to bring this one up. Okay, I do believe, well, this is the long wheelbase version. Okay, I do believe they look kind of similar, the wheel design, but this one is different. The short wheel base variant is different from the LWB, or the long wheelbase variant. Okay, anyway, all four wheels are rubber threaded tires. Spare tire at the back still has the same wheel design. Okay, very good. Okay, started off on the side. Okay, panel lines. Okay, panel lines are very good. Okay, not too deep and not too shallow. Okay, this one very good. Door handles are not detailed, part of the mold, part of the body. Okay, there you go. And since this is only a short wheelbase variant, this one comes in only 2 doors. Okay, windows are clear. Okay, and they're detailed vents. Okay, here at the back. Okay, side view mirrors are black with some reflective stickers on them. Okay, there you have it. Okay, I don't know if it's clear. Okay, anyway, nothing much on this side. Okay, moving on to the front, or rather, before we go to the front, okay, let me take this opportunity to show this one. Rock sliders, or step boards, if you want to call it that way. Okay, equipped here on the side. Okay, part of the mold. Yes, it's metal. Okay, oh, forgot to mention, full die cast metal body. Okay, okay, moving on to the front. Okay, very good design. Okay, front grille is detailed. Okay, has a Toyota, not the logo but the Toyota marking. Okay, the Toyota word itself. Okay, headlights are clear plastic inserts. Not too, there aren't any details on the headlights. Okay, or the corner lamps. Okay, all clear white. Okay, bumpers, very good details also. Okay, colored gray. Moving on to the hood. Okay, very good details. Okay, not much but very defined. Okay, engine vents. Okay, not too detailed. Okay, and windshield clear, or sorry about that, clear plastic. Okay, and moving on to the roof. Okay, detailed one. Okay, the ridges, the lines. Okay, I don't know if it's what that one is called, but very well detailed. Okay, very good one. Okay, moving on to the back. Okay, third brake lamp on top. Okay, it's painted red. Okay, I mentioned earlier about the spare tire. Okay, very good design. And this one has a jerry can. Okay, this one is made out of plastic and it is glued, okay, to the body. Okay, cannot be removed. Okay, rear tail lights are painted plastic inserts. Okay, colored red, amber, and yellow. Okay, very good. Both sides do have it. Very nice one. Okay, bumpers have stickers on them, color red and orange or amber. Okay, very good details on the rear bumper. Okay, and on the other side, very much the same, except this one has the fuel tank cover. Okay, panel lines for that are kind of deep compared to the door panel lines, but very good still nonetheless. Okay, moving on, we check at the bottom. Okay, not much details. Okay, it says 164 scale Toyota Land Cruiser. It's a fuel tank, mud flaps, the front and the back, and the rear. Okay, fuel tank there, and a exhaust. Okay, that one. Okay, this one is good. Okay, first short wheelbase variant of the Land Cruiser 70 series that we have in the garage. Okay, so this one comes in French vanilla white. Okay, I don't know, with my lighting kind of looks like it's beige or brownish because of my lighting, but nonetheless this one is white. Okay, so for size comparison, I'm gonna bring back the long wheelbase variant. Okay, still from Para64. Okay, this is the long wheelbase variant, and this is the SWB short wheelbase variant. Okay, obviously this one is shorter, okay, in length or in the wheelbase. Okay, not much. Okay, and on the roof. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to adjust this one. Okay, so there you have it. You're gonna see them like that. Okay, basically they are the same, except that the short wheelbase variant has the jerry can and the long wheelbase doesn't have any. Okay, and also on the front grille. Okay, this one has the Toyota logo, okay, the long wheelbase variant, and this one has the Toyota, not the logo itself. Okay, I failed to mention that this one also comes with a snorkel. Okay, this is a plastic snorkel, okay, attached to the body. Okay, just like this one. Okay, they have the same. Okay, so there you have it, the short wheelbase variant SWB of the Toyota Land Cruiser 71 series, or in the box it says Toyota Land Cruiser 71 by Para64. We're going to leave this on the turntable for everyone, and thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.